So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post drafts in TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is to open up TikTok. From there create a draft, and that will be through creating content and then not posting it, but you will see a little draft folder, and after you save draft you can go to here and you can find your drafts through the first folder of your menu on your account. From there it says drafts, so let's just open that. And if you want to set up your draft or post it after you're done setting it up, just click on this and you can see it's going to be open. Maybe you will see a little preview of what that video or content you created is. And after that, once you're done with all of these setup, you can click on next. And you can see here the options like adding a link. So if everyone or only you or some your followers can see the post, you can even see more options on here to set up before you decide to post it. So make sure that you have everything you want this post to have, like comments or reusing of this content. If it's AI generated, just click on that so your viewers will know if it's edited or generated with AI. You can auto check sound copyright, so make sure that everything is within community guidelines. And from there you can even save to your device, which can be turned off or on. And after you're completely sure you want to post that, just click on that red button that says post, and it's going up on your feed. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.